In this tutorial, we will learn how to manage processes in the Linux operating system. Before moving on to the video, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. So let's start. I am currently connected to the system with the Turtle user. I am running Firefox. Firefox program is currently running. There are processes in the background that run the Firefox program. Let's learn how we can manage these processes. I'm switching to Turtle Code User. Using the top command, I can see all processes running in the system. There is a lot of information about the processes and the system here. For example, each process has its own unique process ID. There is information about CPU usage. We can see the process of the Firefox program we just ran here. I press Q on the keyboard and exit here. I can use this command to sort processes by process ID. You can also try sorting by CPU usage. I press Q on the keyboard and exit here. I want to show you a different way to view processes. You can use this command to see the processes belonging to the Turtle Code user. As you can see, there is no Firefox here. You can see all processes in the system by using this command. There is also a lot of information about the process here. It can be a little difficult to find what we want from so many processes. Using the grep command, I can only see processes related to Turtle. Now let's go back to the top command. Firefox is not on the list because its CPU consumption is low. Let's do something in Firefox. As you can see, it ranked first on the list. Let's say Firefox consumes a lot of CPU. As a Linux admin, you want to terminate this program immediately. There are many ways to do this. One of these ways is to terminate the process using process ID. Firefox process ID is 3512. You can terminate the process using this command. Firefox still works. Here the meaning of 9 is that in some cases the program does not respond to the system. Kill 9 is a useful command when you must shut down an unresponsive service. Turtle Code User does not have admin privileges. We can kill the process with admin authority using the sudo command. I enter the password. Firefox still works. When I pressed enter, the process ended. I can see that the process has been killed in Turtle Bash. I recommend you to take a look at other training videos. To support us, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel.